What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today we're going to be talking about this crypto AI trading platform called the novaex AI. Okay, so guys, the novaex AI intelligently utilizes multi-chain cooperation to achieve AI driven profit, fully automating the percentage returns in the alliance currency market. Okay, so that is basically what the novaex AI trading platform is all about, guys. Okay, so in this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how the novaex AI crypto trading platform can help you generate profit passively on a day-to-day basis, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of this video so you actually get a full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you would always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are on the novaex AI sign up page. Okay, so before we begin with this video, there's actually a disclaimer behind this video. Okay, so guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I do right here on my channel is based on my own risk and research. Okay, so make sure you always do your own research before you actually partake in anything regarding crypto, because as we all know, guys, crypto trading is actually risky. Okay, so with that being said, guys, to actually proceed with the sign up process, all you need is a username, a password, and as well you actually need to confirm your password. Okay, and down below here that actually shows an invitation code. I'm going to be leaving the novaex AI registration link on this video description, and also my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so when you actually hit on the registration link, guys, my invitation code is automatically going to show down below here. Okay, so that is basically how you can get an invitation code. All right, so I'm going to sign up a new account right now so you guys can see exactly how the sign up process works, guys. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says username. Going to use this username right here, just add an 8 to it. Okay, down below here that is password. This password is actually okay, so I'm going to confirm the password right now, guys. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so I've done that already. So down below here that says I agree to user agreement and privacy policy, I'm going to tick on the small box right here. I'm going to hit on it, and down below here that says register, I'm going to hit on register, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so let's give this some time, guys. So as you can see right here, it says please link Google Authenticator first. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says link now. I'm going to hit on it, guys. All right, so all you just simply need to do is, if you actually don't have a Google Authenticator app on your phone, you can just simply go over to the Google Play Store to actually download one. And then when you're actually done downloading it, you just simply hit on this place down here that says next. Okay, so as you can see over here, guys, the next step would be taking this private key down below here. Just copy the key and take it over to your Google Authenticator app, and then you actually paste it right there, and just write a name for yourself. You can just simply write novaex or whatever name you actually want to write, and then you click on the add button down below, just as you see, guys. Okay, I actually screenshotted this particular page right here from the Google Authenticator app, so you guys can see exactly how you can synchronize your Google Authenticator app with your novaex AI app, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. Okay, so when you are done, guys, the Google Authenticator is going to give you a 6-digit code. So when you actually get the code, you just simply insert the code down below here, and then you simply hit on the submit button down here, guys. Okay, so this is how you can actually do this. All right, so I'm not going to be doing this again, guys, because I already have an account. Okay, so I'm just going to simply sign into my account right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can trade passively for profit right here on the novaex AI trading platform. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my novaex trading account dashboard right now. So guys, mind you, for signing, you also need your Google Authenticator code for sign in. When you're actually done synchronizing your Google Authenticator with your novaex AI, you would always need your code for signing, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can also sign in. Okay, so right now this is the dashboard. As you can see right here, there are a series of menus right here. You have the home button right here, you have the market button right here, the AI button right here at the center. Also, you have the others and you have the me. Okay, so when you actually hit on the me right here, guys, you would see that I currently have $1,000 worth of NEX token on my total asset, guys. Okay, so when I actually signed up, they gave me 500 USDT worth of NEX token, and then when I actually invited someone, they gave me an extra $500 worth of NEX token. Okay, so this is basically how it's also going to be for you guys. Okay, they're going to give you 500 USDT worth of NEX token when you actually sign up completely, and also when you invite your friends, they keep on giving you 500 USDT worth of NEX token. Okay, so that is basically how it is. They are currently giving out airdrop at the moment. Okay, so you actually need to be a part of these guys. All right, so as you can see right here on the me section, you have the my assets option right here to actually check your asset. As you can see, My asset right here is currently $1,000, but on the other hand, as you can see, they are all in zeros. This money right here is actually from the token airdrop. All right, so that is it. So over here, you can actually click on the invite friends and copy your link down below here to actually invite your friends to get more airdrop from the novaex AI platform. Okay, so that is basically how you can get airdrop rewards. All right, so down below here that says team system, you can actually check the the number of your teams right here that you have actually invited so far. You can actually check them. That is how it works. And down here that says security settings, if you actually hit on it right now, as you can see, you can actually reset your password right here and also delete your account if you actually wish to delete your account. Okay, you can also link your email account right here. So that is the function of the security settings. I'm going to go back, guys. Okay, so that is basically what it is on the me section. Okay, so if you actually hit on others right here, as you can see, the other section has to do with your running trade. Okay, so let's take for instance, I'm actually on the AI trading right now. I'm going to be seeing my trade right here. That is basically what it means. Okay, and over here that says market, guys, if I hit on it right now, you get to see the market trend of all those coins right here. Okay, so that is basically what the market is all about. Then right here that says AI trading, if I actually hit on it right now, guys, okay, as you can see, it is AI smart trading engine, real-time market analysis, trend prediction, and auto execution. Okay, so as you can see down here, guys, they have various plans over here. They have the conservative plan, which is actually 0.5% to 0.6% within the cycle of 1 day, as you can see right here. Okay, they also have the stable, which is actually a cycle of 7 days with 5% to 6% profit, as you can see right here. Down below here says that they also have the balanced, which is actually a cycle of 15 days with a 13% to 14% profit. They also have the aggressive plan right here, which is actually a cycle of 30 days with a 28% to 29% profit, guys. Okay, so if you actually want to participate on the AI trading, all you just simply do is select a plan for yourself right here. Okay, so you can start with the lowest plan right here, which is actually a 1 day cycle, by just hitting this arrow right here, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here, you can actually use whatsoever crypto of your choice. You can use USDT, BNB, ETH, and TRX. Okay, but before you can actually start participating, guys, you first of all need to have recharged your account with either of these cryptos you see right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can recharge your account in a while, guys. Okay, but before then, so let's say you have actually recharged your account. All you just simply need to do is hit on whatsoever crypto you actually used for recharging. If it's USDT, you just simply need to hit on USDT, guys. Okay, and then you just simply input the investment amount you actually wish to use. You input it right here. As you can see, the minimum right here is actually 20 USDT, guys. Okay, as you can see, it says not lesser than 20 USDT. All right, so when you have actually inputted 20 USDT, you're going to be seeing the profit rate down below here, and as well you're going to be seeing the start time, the profit time, and as well the profit created and also the stop time, guys. Okay, so when you're actually done doing all of that, you just simply need to hit on this create AI trade down below here, and immediately, guys, your trade is going to start running. Okay, that is basically how you can do this. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says after the cycle earnings transfer to assets, AI continues in the next cycle. Okay, so that is basically how the trading right here works. Okay, so when you're actually done with all of that, you're going to be seeing your running trades over here. That is other, guys. You're going to be seeing your running trade right here. That is the reason why mine is showing no data right now, because I've not started trading. Okay, so guys, on my next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can trade right here practically. I'm going to be sending money inside this platform so you guys can see exactly how I'm trading for myself and making profits passively on a day-to-day basis, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can send in money inside the platform. Okay, so how can you send money in? So over here that is home, you just simply need to hit on home, guys. All right, and over here that says deposit, you just simply need to hit on deposit. All right, so you can actually deposit right here by hitting on whatsoever token you actually want to use for deposit. Okay, so let's say you actually want to deposit USDT. I'm just simply going to hit on USDT, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on deposit right here again. All right, so I'm going to hit on TRC20 or BEP20, whatsoever one I actually want to use. I can also use ERC20, but BEP20 is always the cheapest. I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. All right, so as you can see, this is the address right here. All you just simply do is copy the address and head over to your crypto wallet to send in a minimum of 20 USDT for trading. That is basically how you can make a deposit into your account. Okay, if you also want to make a withdrawal, guys, you can simply hit on the withdraw button down here, as you can see, or you can just simply go back to the menu, okay, to the home page, and just simply hit on withdraw. That is basically how you can make withdrawals right here, guys. Okay, so you can actually follow them on Twitter, on Telegram, and YouTube right here, as you can see, and you can also check in daily right here, guys, to get some daily rewards. Okay, I'm going to hit on check in now. So let's see, guys. So as you can see, already checked in today. So I already checked in today and I got some NEX token reward. So this is basically what you need to know about the novaex AI trading app, guys. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. On my next video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can trade right here practically. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever I actually upload amazing videos like this one you just watched right now here on YouTube, you'd always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.